is one of my favorite days of the year. This is the CFISD 6th Annual Cupcake Battle, and it's such an exciting day.
They get a chance to really show off some of the talents they've been learning throughout the year, come together, so it's just really neat to see everyone's talent.
It gives the students a local opportunity to be able to go to and create amazing things and be judged and be able to talk to other people about their craft.
It's so cool being able to see like everybody's designs and stuff, because it's so different how everybody has their own interpretation. Just cool seeing what people come up with, honestly.
7, 8, 9, 10.
We started the meringue race last year and it was so much fun. The students enjoyed it, so we totally had to bring it back this year. During the meringue race, not only do they work together as a team, but they're also answering questions from Serve Save, they're whisking, they're having to take turns, trade off who is mixing, they're running back and forth, and then they have to see who's gonna be the one to go down there and dump the meringue upside down on top of their head and hope that it sticks.
It was intense, it was a rush, it was so fast-paced, it was incredible. I think it really gives you a chance to show off your skills, gives you a chance to improve, to learn more about what there is to make a cupcake and how many techniques there really are that you can actually use to make them.
I'm hoping to own my own restaurant and have like cheap and affordable that everybody can come to with their family.
As a Cyfair student, I went to Creek and I went to Cyfair. So I did a full circle. So I think I definitely benefited from the culinary program here at Cyfair.
One thing I love about Cypher ISD is just the opportunity for all. So many of our students go from our culinary arts program to be very successful restaurateurs, chefs in the food service industry. So it's just a great opportunity for young people to show their creativeness and their baking talent and to be able to compete. Just a great day.